Hi friends, it's Dana. Just trying to keep things simple. That's what I tell you to do all the time. But I'm guilty just like everybody else. Sometimes I make things more complicated. And I just thrive off of change. I thrive off of improvement and learning new things and making things better and more efficient. But I also like to put a new color on the wall. To me, change is it's exciting and invigorating. So in that spirit, we are no longer known as Dana Ball Legal Services. We are now Avanta Business Law. So AVANTA. I'm so excited about this, you guys. This is just new brand, new logo, new colors. So fun. And it communicates exactly what I have been dreaming about for years. We are the advantage. We want to be your advantage to get you in a place where you're free to focus on your business. That is all we're about. And Avanta Business Law, go check out the website, avantabizlaw.com. It's clean, it's refreshing, it's keeping it simple. I have to give props to Rushford at Redcore, helping us rebrand. The process is awesome, easy, just amazing. Big Red Jelly did a great job on the website. I'm just so excited to finally be here. And I have to tell all those clients who have worked with me this past year, thank you so much for your patience. I've had a rough year. It has hit me hard personally this year. And you know, I like to be timely, and I have not been timely, and I hate it. So you need to know how much I appreciate your patience. We are back, and this new brand is just a really great way for me to let go and move forward. And my team is amazing. You're going to really just benefit a lot from what we've got coming your way. So welcome to Avanta. Come check out our website. Let us know if we can help you in any way.